My name is Santosh Kumar Gupta. You are most welcome in SKG tutorial online classes. Today I will teach you Science for Class 8, Chapter 2, Microorganisms, सूक्ष्म जीव. Dear student, you know about microorganism, सूक्ष्म जीव, यानी ऐसे जीव जिनको हम अपने आँखों से नहीं देख सकते. ऐसे माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स को देखने के लिए माइक्रोस्कोप की आवश्यकता होती है. विदाउट माइक्रोस्कोप वी कैन नॉट सी दीज माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स. माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स आर वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज. दे आर very small, which cannot be seen by naked eyes. So we have to use microscope for seeing them. There are many microorganisms: bacteria, algae, fungi, protozoa, virus. बैक्टीरिया को हिंदी में बोलते हैं जीवाणु, अलगी शैवाल, फंगी फफूंद, प्रोटोजोआ में अमीबा, पैरामीशियम, यूग्लिना ये सब आते हैं. वायरस यानी विषाणु. At first we have to study about bacteria. The size of bacteria is near about 0.2 to 1000 micron. It means its size is very small. That is 0.0000. You can say very small size. यानी 1 सेंटीमीटर का लाखों पार्ट कर दें, इतनी छोटी साइज होती है. There are many shapes of bacteria. Bacteria are rod shaped, which are called bacillus. Typhoid disease, TB, tuberculosis, diphtheria, tetanus, leprosy. These are some examples of diseases which are caused by rod-shaped bacteria, that is bacillus bacteria. Second is spiral shaped, which is known as spirillum. There are many diseases like syphilis caused by treponema bacteria. Third shape is round shaped, that is known as coccus. Some diseases are caused by round shaped bacteria, that is pneumonia, which is caused by staphylococcus bacteria. Coccus means round shaped, spirillum means spiral shaped, bacillus means rod shaped. Fourth bacteria का shape है comma shaped, that is known as vibrio. Some diseases like cholera is caused by Vibrio cholera bacteria. So dear student, rod-shaped bacteria is bacillus, spiral-shaped bacteria is spirillum, round-shaped bacteria is coccus, comma-shaped bacteria is known as Vibrio. There are many useful bacteria. These are harmful bacteria which causes diseases in animals, human beings or plants. But there are some useful bacteria which is very essential, very useful for our daily life activities. Like lactobacillus bacteria. These bacteria change lactose of milk into lactic acid in curd, due to which the sweetness of milk is converted into sourness जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है, दूध से दही बन जाता है। राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया, it is bacteria which lives in root nodules of leguminous plants like pea, gram, etc. And rhizobium bacteria is related to nitrogen fixation, in which it changes the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate substance, due to which fertility of the soil will increase. Bacteria are decomposers. They decomposed the dead and decaying plants and animals, due to which they will be converted into simpler substances, and they are beneficial for fertility of soil. Acetobacter aceti is also a bacteria which changes the ethyl alcohol into acetic acid. एथिल अल्कोहल को एसिटिक एसिड में कन्वर्ट कर देता है। Many antibiotics like streptomycin are formed by bacteria. Dear student, antibiotics are such medicines which are prepared with the help of bacteria, and it is prevented any diseases that can be caused by related bacteria. Vitamin K, vitamin B5, biotin, and vitamin B12. You can say vitamin B complex. These vitamins are produced in large intestine of human beings by some particular bacteria. So these bacteria are very useful for us. Some bacteria living in the stomach of ruminants, animals, digest the cellulose of plants. Bacteria convert the agricultural and domestic wastage like cow dung in biogas plant into biogas, which mainly compose methane gas. Dear student, there are some bacteria which causes plant disease like citrus canker disease caused in citrus fruits like lemon, orange, etc. Some bacteria like Salmonella causes food poisoning, that is, it produces toxic substances into food, due to which the person who eat that spoiled food will caused by some food poisoning symptom like vomiting, indigestion, irritation, etc. There are many diseases caused by bacteria in animals, plants, in human being. Plague is a disease which is a epidemic disease. In 1920, when vaccine was not prepared at that time, dear students, there are many bacteria which causes communicable diseases like typhoid bacteria, plague bacteria. These are such bacteria which causes communicable disease. through infection in air, water, food, by contact, etc. So you have to learn it. Thank you very much.